What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we are going to be making a Joker cocktail. Now this is an original cocktail that I came up with. It's like this. I saw the trailer for the new Joker movie and I was just like beside myself. I thought like, I like superhero movies, but I really like the dark ones that are crazy and dark. And so I was like, I should do a tie-in, like a movie tie-in to Joker cocktail with the movie. And I was like surfing the internet. I couldn't really find a Joker cocktail that I liked, so I decided that I would create my own. And then I thought to myself, what if I could get a clown and teach a clown to make the Joker cocktail? But then I was like, where am I going to find a clown? And I was like, look, Marius, where should I find a clown? Like, I talked to him. Oh shit, it's Richie the Barber! All right, my friend Richie the Barber came. I know that was kind of a cheesy intro. Sorry, guys. I know a clown, so I thought I would get my friend Richie the Barber to come here and make a cocktail. I kind of situated this stuff so that I would be making it, but you are going to be making this cocktail. I just realized that in true Barfly form, we forgot something. So I'm gonna.
What are you doing?
Do you think that you could just entertain everybody while I go get something?
Okay, sure, yeah. Hey guys, just a clown here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm gonna get ready.
Wait a minute. Do you actually? Do you always bring juggling shit with you?
I got a bunch of stuff. I got swords too. Yeah.
Are they sharp?
Yeah, dude. Watch out. Oh my goodness.
Get hit in the
Can we
face
do
with a
fire
sword.
or what? What's that?
This is not the episode where I get hit in the face with a sword.
we good.
All right. You think you can make a cocktail, Richie?
Of course I can.
All right, here we go. This is what we got. We got all the ingredients here. I want to take you guys through.
Sorry. All right, go.
Well, I mean, I guess you can take the clown out of the circus, but you can't take the circus out of the clown. You know? All right, so I'm going to explain each ingredient to the audience so that they know what's going on here, all right?
Okay.
And then I'm going to teach you how to make it. And I just wonder, like, if I can teach this clown to make a cocktail, this is kind of a complicated...
What? I thought you needed a haircut.
I mean, he is Richie the Barber, and you can find him at Bolt Barbers in downtown if you want a haircut.
Woo!
All right.
Let's do it. Okay.
Are you going to get serious?
I'm
Are you going to continue to juggle stuff?
I'm good. I got nothing else.
I doubt that you have nothing else.
I got nothing else.
I feel like you have a clown basement that you can just go and pull stuff out of. He has has a clown basement.
Okay, we're good.
All right. Okay, ready? All right. So this is what we got. We got some gin. I got some Tanqueray gin, and what I've done is I rapid infused this with an Issy whipper.
Do you need a clown flask? I got a clown banana.
Well, maybe when we're done with the cocktail, we'll put it in the flask.
Isn't this the coolest flask in the world?
That is the coolest flask, but I also don't know if I want to drink out of a banana, because what are the implications of that?
You're right. Okay.
All right. This has been infused with mulling spices. So we did a little allspice, we did cinnamon, we did a little nutmeg, we did some...
It's my magic trick.
Wait a minute.
What? I just
like crushed a Coke bottle. It's like magic tricks. Are you gonna focus?
Okay.
All right, let's focus.
Okay.
All right, let's focus. All right, so mulling spices. I'm going to list them below because I don't think that Richie's going to let me get through the list. And we've got some lemon juice, we've got some cinnamon syrup, and we've got some lime cordial, and we've got some butterfly PT. Now, those of you that are cocktail savvy will know what we're doing with this. All right, Richie.
Cinnamon. Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you steady?
Put me in, coach.
I'm going to teach you how to use this jig right now. Do you know how to use this?
No.
Have you ever made a cocktail?
Kind of.
What do you mean, kind of?
Put stuff here, together.
You haven't made a cocktail. He's like, you've made jungle juice.
I put in the cup, and then I put a little magic thing over it, and I put my little fingers like this, and I go, woo, and then, woo. It's a magic trick? No?
That is a broke-ass magic trick. All right, the Coke one was
Okay, all right, go.
All right, okay, cool. You don't know how to use, you've never used a jigger, you just put things in cups.
How do you hold it? Yeah.
All right, it's okay. You can hold it however you want. You don't need to go like this.
Okay.
Like some people hold it like that, but
why do you do that?
You don't have to do that. Why? I don't know, because because the Japanese like to, when they bartend, they like to present with style. We don't do that here at the Educated Barfly. We just do things sloppy, American style. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Each one of these lines, all right, on the outside and inside, represent half an ounce, except for that one, okay? Mm-hmm. So that line, right, on the inside, that one is half an ounce.
So the second one?
The first one is half an ounce. Okay. The very second is 3/4.
Okay.
That's 1.5, 2, and the very top is 2.5.
Okay.
So when I call out the measurements, I'm gonna hope that our
my
pebble
glass
ice
is
isn't.
on.
Our
me see
pebble
that
ice
one-
is
let me
melting,
see
so we gotta
that-
get through this quickly.
Let me see that one more time.
I got myself a laugh. All right, so here's your jigger.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it like this.
This is what we're gonna
or-
do.
So
All right.
like this, or do I?
You can hold it
Like this?
however.
Do I-
You
is
can
that-
hold it like that. Hold
Okay,
it
I'm
like
gonna
that.
hold it
It's
like
gonna
this.
be the easiest thing for you. All right.
Okay.
So where's the 3/4 line? Can you show me?
1, 2, 3.
Nope. Like this. 1/2 ounce, 3/4 1. So 3
the
would be
second
1
one.
ounce. So the second one is 3/4 of an ounce. All right. So
the
put
second
3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice in there.
So up to
So
the
that's
3.
up to
eh?
the second line.
Okay. All right. Boom.
Boom. Perfect.
Okay.
Like a pro.
Wait.
Put
So
it in there.
This, like this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Bam.
All right. Now do 3/4 of an ounce of this. This is
Okay.
lime cordial.
Okay, that's good.
All right. Second line.
I'm getting there. I'm
There you
getting
go.
there. Okay.
And
Ready?
the thing.
Bam.
All right. Now do 1/2 ounce. All right,
Okay.
which is the first line.
The first line.
of the cinnamon syrup.
First line.
So 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup.
Bam.
No. Yeah,
No,
that's
what-
good.
oh,
There you go. That's good.
Is it good?
That's good.
Okay.
All right. Now 2 ounces, which is the
same
second
stuff?
to last. Nope. Of the gin.
The gin. Can we just put a little more, or just?
I mean, you can put
Okay.
as much
Three.
as you want.
3 to the third line.
No, up to there.
Oh yeah.
Almost to the top. Almost to the top.
Almost to the top.
Almost to the top. More. That's it. Okay, right there. Put it in there. Don't you spill.
I'm not.
Shit's expensive. All right, that's it. That's it. Okay,
what
now
do
we're
we
gonna
do
do.
this. What do we do?
We just put it down.
Okay.
All right, now you do
Okay.
5 drops of
Oxygen.
this. Chloro-oxygen.
Chloro-oxygen.
5 drops.
Is that the stuff where the
No, that's chloroform. No. Trust me, Marius would have a lot harder of a time if it was chloroform.
Okay.
All right, 5 drops of this.
drops.
I already filled up the dropper. You just have to drop it. It's
What?
in there.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
This stuff is powerful stuff. All right, now this is what we're gonna do. Take your ice. Just take a tiny little bit. All right.
Like this much? Or more?
Maybe a little more than that.
Okay, more.
Yeah, like that much. Drop it in the tin. Okay, now I'm gonna do this part for you because I'm a control freak. All right,
fine.
watch. Now I do this. We're gonna lock the tin.
Lock the tin.
All right, now let's fill the glass with ice.
Hold on, let me clean up here.
Fill the glass with ice. Okay, now, all right, you ready? Shake this. What are you doing? Are you drinking Windex? What are you doing? Richie!
Oh, I was thirsty.
Jesus Christ.
All right.
You are a nasty
Oh,
clown.
God.
All right, shake this.
All right,
Shake it. Shake it up. And shake it until I tell you. I gotta go get something. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
It's not shaking.
Keep shaking it.
Am I doing it right?
Well, that's like a little weird, but you gotta find your own style. You have to find your own style. Here, I got this. All right. All right, but like you can also hold it with both hands. Like put one hand
Like that?
yeah,
I
and then
never
like, go like
shake-
this, and then shake it like that. All right, I think that's enough. All right.
Oh my God.
All right, I'm gonna undo this for you. Okay, now pour it into the glass.
What do you
and
mean?
Fill it to like right there.
So I hold like this or what?
Yeah, just hold that. Yeah, you don't
Is
want
there
that
a way to
fall.
hold
You
it?
could, yeah, you could hold
Can
it
I-
just like that. That's exactly how you hold it.
Like that.
Now pour it over the ice.
Ooh. Oh,
Not
wow.
so much.
Why is it green?
Okay, stop, stop,
Oh,
stop.
whoa.
There you go.
Is that too
It's
much?
green because it's chlorophyll. We're gonna add a little ice on top, and now
Right.
pour this on top of that.
That's okay. Say when.
Keep going. There you go.
Ooh.
And there you have it, my friends.
Oh, it's purple and green.
Let's see how well you did. It's purple and green, just like the Joker.
Is it good?
Ooh, that's fan. You want to taste it?
Yeah, I was
Here, you want
thirsty.
your
I
own
was drinking
shot?
Windex over here, and now I can't
Look at
drink.
that.
Oh my gosh, pinky out.
Taste it.
Do I stir it or just?
No, just.
It is good.
That's pretty damn good, right?
It's damn good.
It's pretty goddamn good. All
Cinnamon,
right.
cinnamon. That's it.
Well, there you have it, my friends. I taught a clown to make the Joker cocktail. So, definitely go to theaters and go watch the Joker. I'm going to go to the theater and watch a Joker. I'm not going to go with Richie because I'm going to get the pig in my ear.
Oh, come on.
I mean, that would be a spectacle if I took a clown to... Maybe I'll take a clown to see a movie. All right, there you have it, my friends. The Joker cocktail, go enjoy it. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe, and check us out on Patreon, patreon.com/educatedbarfly. If you want to check out Richie, you can follow him on Instagram, Richie the Barber, and you can get your haircut by him in downtown LA at Bolt Barbers. Is it?
I'm gonna just comb my hair.
All right, is that boltbarbers.com?
Bolt Barbers, downtown LA, boltbarbers.com.
And Richie the Barber on Instagram, Woo! Educated Barfly on Instagram. And yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, we are sponsored by Staggerly Goods. If you love this wonderful apron, go to staggerlygoods.com, and at checkout you can do Barfly SLG20 for 20% off at checkout. I will see you guys on another time.
Oh, Leandro forgot to do the tasting notes, so I'm gonna do it for him. Rookie, look at this drink. Let's taste this. It's a lot of gin. Tastes a little, cinnamon. A little green. I don't know, what else do I taste in this? Some cotton candy. Tastes a little bit of cotton candy, a little bit. I don't know how he did it, but he put a little cotton candy in there, you know? What else we got in here? Some mint. Some water. I don't know what else would be in here. Some olives? No, you didn't put no olives in here. Did you put some olives in this thing? There's some olives, huh? I'm bad judgment for this clown. I don't know. My taste is, you know. Some goodness. A lot of goodness in this drink here. Woo! I think we put a lot of gin too. A lot of gin. Made me sweat, you know what I mean? Huh. That's a tasty drink. There you have it. I don't know what else is in there. All I taste is gin, cinnamon, mint, and some love. You know what I mean?